So in this video, you'll learn how to connect a PS5 controller to your Samsung Galaxy A56. So all you need to do is simply open the settings app on your phone. Then you want to select connections and then tap on Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth, you want to ensure that your Bluetooth settings are enabled. If not, then just tap on the toggle to turn them on. Once your Bluetooth is enabled, you then want to put your PS5 controller in pairing mode. So this includes you long pressing on the PS5 button as well as the share button at the same time until the indicator lights start blinking blue. So PS button, share button, long press on them until you see the lights blinking. Once they start blinking like this, then they've been put in pairing mode successfully. So the next step is to come to your A56 Bluetooth settings and to look for it in the list of available devices. If it hasn't appeared, then you need to tap on scan so that it can be detected easily. Once it's been detected, just tap on it like that to establish the connection. Confirm you wish to pair the devices, and then you can see the cursor appearing on your screen. And you'll notice whenever you try to use any of the navigation gestures on your controller, they'll be working successfully, which means that you've successfully enabled or connected your PS5 controller to your Galaxy A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.